and welcome to another Mario Party 8 minigame review. This time, we reviewed Blazing Lassos, a good use of motion controls. Like, I mean, very good. If it was done a bit better, it actually would have gotten a higher score. For today's minigame, we got our first 1 vs 3 minigame with Bob-ombs away. So let's get to this minigame, shall we? So here's how I play this minigame. You and the team of 3 are at a pachinko board, and the team of 3 is also holding Bob-ombs. And the single player is at the bottom of this pachinko board. The team of 3's job is to just throw Bob-ombs down at the single player to make sure that they get out before the 30 seconds is over. And the single player, you guessed it, has to survive the whole onslaught for the 30 seconds. And if the single player can survive it, they win. The team of 3, if they manage to get the single player out before then, they win. And yeah, it's pretty much just one of those, the team of 3 assaulting the 1. It's pretty much what you would expect, and I will say that it is fairly balanced compared to other 1 vs 3 minigames out there. Yeah, that's kind of a rarity, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's a big rarity. Most 1 vs 3 minigames usually suffer from being very imbalanced in some way, but somehow this isn't. I fully expect this to just go down the same path Bob-omba did, and because that one was Bob-omba related. However, there's a difference here. The pachinko board allows you to strategize on where to place various Bob-ombs, and being careful with the patterns, because if you do it at the exact same place, it's going to happen in the exact same way. So you're going to have to really strategize on where you actually place the Bob-ombs and where the single player is going to have to go. Then you have to be really careful because it can actually be pretty unpredictable to know where the Bob-ombs will actually go. If I had to say which side had a slight disadvantage, I think I would say the 3, since this could allow the single player to really strategize their moves out. But besides that, this is just overall thoughts worthy, because there really isn't much else. Fucking hell. I might think that I'm going to say that this is an unbalanced minigame because I said that about Bob-omba. I'm not going to say that, actually. This minigame is actually significantly balanced. A lot more so than, well, Bob-omba would ever be so. Because instead of the single player assaulting the team of 3, it's the other way around. And also, there's a thing here with the pachinko board, because you have to pay real attention to where the Bob-ombs have to go. You have to focus on 3 players at once if you're the single player, and that's actually harder than it looks. And you gotta be pretty careful, especially in this case, since you don't know if a Bob-omb is gonna be coming your way or not. I got out pretty quickly on some rounds because I wasn't paying attention. It's a good example of just having to manage where you're going. If I had to say which side had a slight advantage, I'd potentially say the 1, because if the computer players are stupid enough and one player just goes all the way to the left, they're kind of guaranteed to win if the others don't really think their strategies out properly. But besides that, though, I'm giving this minigame 3 stars. It's alright, nothing remarkable, still alright. And that's it for today. Up next, we're reviewing Booting Gallery. See you guys then.